To buy silver on E-Trade, the first step is to create an account if you do not already have one. Visit the E-Trade website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Once you complete the registration process, you can fund your account using various methods like bank transfer or wire transfer. After your account is funded, log into your E-Trade account and navigate to the trading platform. In the search bar, type in the symbol for silver. You can choose to invest in silver ETFs, which represent a fund that tracks the price of silver, or you can buy physical silver through E-Trade's offerings if available. Once you find the option that suits your investment strategy, click on it to see more details. Decide how much silver you want to purchase. Enter the number of shares or the amount of physical silver you wish to buy. Make sure to check the current market price and understand any fees associated with your transaction. Once you are satisfied with your entry, review your order in the confirmation screen to ensure all details are correct. Finally, submit your order and wait for it to be executed. You can monitor your investment through your account dashboard. Keep track of market conditions and manage your investments as necessary, remembering that silver prices can fluctuate significantly.